In this video, we're going to teach you how you can fix the weekend verify your subscription status on Adobe. If you're having that kind of error, first thing you need to do is to head over first into your adobe.com, head over and make sure to sign in, and you should be able to see there if you have an ongoing billing or subscription. If you do have it, then what you can do next is you need to first test your internet. Head over to a new tab and search in there for fast.com. And then from in there, this will load in order to show you in here how fast your internet is. And if it's not fast enough, then you can actually access it on your own. So as of right now, it's actually quite okay. So there might be another problem that's causing the error. What we can do next is we need to make sure that our software settings is updated. You can click on search right here and search in here for update. Click on this check for updates, and then this should be able to open this. So from in there, head over and then check for updates right there. And if you're up to date, you should be able to have it ready. Just head over and then restart your actual Adobe and it should be fixed. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.